Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in Roblox Driving Empire. First, open Roblox and find the Driving Empire game. Once loaded, you'll need to check your current in-game cash balance. The Urus is a premium vehicle, so it requires a significant amount of money. Make sure you have at least $250,000 saved up to make the purchase. This initial step is crucial before proceeding to the dealership. If your funds are low, there are several ways to earn money efficiently. Focus on completing races, as these offer substantial cash rewards for winning. Delivering vehicles across the map is another reliable method to accumulate funds. Don't forget to check for daily challenges. These often provide excellent bonus cash and other valuable items. You can also sell any cars you no longer use to free up some extra cash for your dream Urus. Once you have enough cash, head over to the main dealership in Driving Empire. You'll find it marked clearly on your map. Drive inside and navigate through the showroom to find the Lamborghini Urus. It's usually listed under the Super SUV or Luxury categories. Select the Urus, confirm the purchase, and it will instantly be added to your personal garage. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a virtual Urus. Now that you own the Lamborghini Urus, the fun truly begins. Head to your garage to customize it. You can change the paint color, add different rims, and even upgrade its performance with various parts. Experiment with different setups to make your Urus unique. Take it out for a drive on the open roads, challenge other players in races, or simply cruise around the city. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.